Okay, so you saw me boil them, and I washed them off so I can boil them so they can swell up before I put them in the crock pot, because you know they be real tiny bitty. That's just something, and then it get like that little extra film off them too. So let's go ahead and get ready to put them in the crock pot. So I got some neck bones I'm gonna go ahead and throw over in there. Just some flavor. I already boiled. So and we gonna go ahead and get these things going, man. I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper in there. We ain't gonna put too much salt because we got the neck bones going in there. So let's go. Let me add some water. We just want to cover them, submerge them up with water, cover them up. Let's put the top on.
Hey, the beans are finally done after 6 hours, man. I'm about to go in. They've been cooking half of the night, man. Hey, we about to go in this Florence, man. I'm gonna have me something to eat. Best believe it. So, hey, we like a little sugar in our beans. And me personally, I like extra pepper in mine. Man, these things about to be some kind of good. Let me go ahead and mix this up. So I'm about to go ahead and dig in these things, man. I know they about to be good. Cooked all night. I'm about to eat this whole bowl right now. Hey, these things is good. All you gotta do, get you a crock pot. You can put the, the winter coming up, it's about to be cold outside for us people who get cold out. Get you a bag of these pinto beans, some ham, hock, neck bones, something. If you don't eat pork, you can get turkey too. It work just fine. Just boil it beforehand, and then put it on over here with these beans. Let it cook for about 6 hours. Man, you gonna have you some good eating when you get out. All you need is some fried chicken to go with it now, or some pork chop. Whoa! So y'all be sure to go over and check me out on IG, man, at Southern Smoke Boss. Hey, thanks for keeping me and my family in your prayers during this Hurricane Florence. It don't like it really go touch us. Hopefully it don't. But we will see. Y'all probably go see this video after Hurricane Florence is over though, most likely. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.